This video is made with the understanding that with better knowledge or evidence about the benefits that are connected with yoga or practice of yoga within your normal routine, coaches and athletes may find it easier to incorporate it within their normal training sessions. The premise of yoga is different from that of a normal training session because it is a multifaceted approach and usually challenges your body from a variety of aspects. When done properly, yoga has the capacity to reduce your constraints while maximizing your capabilities. Okay? The physical practice of yoga is basically the control and regulation of your breathing while transitioning through the different phases of the posture, while simultaneously also paying attention to the various muscle groups that are targeted. Basically, you can look at it as a connection between your body breathing mechanics with your engaged musculoskeletal system. Traditional athletic training involves practicing of certain activities that improve the fitness of the domain which are pertaining to that particular sport. For example, if you see long distance runners, repetitive long distance running leads to challenging of their cardiovascular system. This in turn helps in increasing the cardiovascular system. Okay, so muscular weight training or lifting of weights in general challenges your contractile capacity of your muscles, which in turn improves your muscular strength. Okay, so basically training or athletic training in general focuses on the particular domains or aspects that are attributes to that particular sport only. Yoga is such a structured activity that it dominates over all these domains in such a way that it mimics the components of your athletic training, such as your flexibility, balance, coordination, muscle strength, endurance, mobility. To list down a few things that yoga may help in athletic performance, here's a few. Yoga is an activity that can simultaneously enhance several specific components of fitness. For instance, following weeks of practice, joints comprising movements in their kinetic chain may be optimized through increased alignment, increased range of motion, and greater muscle fiber recruitment. It strengthens the deep connective tissues, preventing or minimizing injury. It creates an overall body flexibility, increased range of motion, and mobility. It dramatically enhances physical balance by developing the athlete's awareness of his body's center of gravity, thus keeping his body balanced in action and throughout movement. It improves circulation throughout the body. It increases lymphatic drainage, which helps in reducing recovery time and thereby also reducing fatigue. It helps in reducing anxiety and stress of athletes and helps them stay in the mental zone. Speaking at a cellular level, yoga helps in increasing recruitment of both type 1 and type 2 muscle fibers depending on the program features. Let's take a study that was done by NEI University, Chicago. They had an experiment for 10-week duration in which they had two groups of college athletes, both of which were handpicked from either baseball or football teams. So they instructed the two different groups to have their normal regular training sessions, which had a bit of similarities when it came to strength training, stretching and other sessions like that. Along with this, they had one group or their experiment group practice 2 days of yoga every week for 10 weeks. Okay, it was always done in the mornings before any other physical activity. And after their 10-week program, they had an evaluation of all the domains of fitness in your normal athletes. So what they concluded was the individual group that was involved in yoga practice for just 2 days in a week had drastic improvement in their athletic performance when it came to the different domains of fitness. They determined that yoga not only helps in improving your physiological and your mental health, but it also helps in enhancing your different domains that are commonly linked with athletes. And that is why some of the top athletes in the world practice yoga in their daily regime. If you don't believe me, there is something called as Google, which you can look up on for some of the top athletes who practice yoga. And tell me if you do not find the following names, that is David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, LeBron James, and this is just a few names that I can remember right now. But of course, the program has to be tailored to suit the different requirements of that particular sport, or else it has no value. Which is why I recommend people to practice yoga under someone rather than learning it off the internet. So my humble request to people who are athletes, coaches, or sports fanatics in general, to share this video or the knowledge of this video with your colleagues or anyone else who is interested, so that we can together uplift the platform of sport in India. Thank you for watching this video all through the end. If you do like the content, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.